120 days, I'll prove this. And if I'm not able to do it in 90 days, I'll kill the idea. That's how we approach it.
Sir, that was a wonderful thing. Can you also add, for the benefit of the audience, on scalability? You see, innovation comes from various areas, right? And you, as you very rightly discussed, innovation could come from anywhere. Could you talk about scalability of the innovation, the thought process, and the sustained scalability, so that everybody here understands your viewpoint?
Yeah.
Sure.
You know, I often get these question asked that, here you're a $30 billion company, you spend 5%, you spend $1.5 billion on research and development, so you guys have got deep pockets, so you can afford to talk all these fancy stories because you got a lot of money to back you up. But let me tell you, sometimes it's more difficult to get my money from my boss than it is to get from my wife. But it's a scalability. I truly believe that is an issue, because I think, and this comes back to that whole jugaad phenomena that I referred to earlier, that it is more important to really, I think scale is something that we underestimate here. And I think to be truly successful, you do need to get scale. And now obviously scale doesn't happen overnight. But I think one of the things that we do in our case is that when I get an idea, somebody from my team comes and brings me an idea, and he says, Ajay, okay, I'll be able to deliver, this idea will generate $10 million in 3 years' time. I said, okay. So we say, okay. I say, okay, if you want to take it from 0 to 10 to 0 to 20, what do you want? He says, I need $10,000 more, or I need 5 more people, or I need... So you start with that sort of challenge the status quo, because you don't accept that, that I'm going to accept that scale, and you just challenge the scale, challenge the status quo, and we continuously stretch the boundaries. And that's my first question when somebody comes to me with an idea. He says, I can do this in 3 years' time. I said, okay, if you have to do double, what do you want from me? Do you want 3 more people? Do you want $5 more million? What do you want? So you got to have that in your DNA to sort of think scale. Scale is really important. I truly believe scale is important.
So you're saying scale should be a part of the DNA?
Absolutely. Scale should be thought of right at the outset. You know, right at the outset, how do you scale this? Go beyond, like we have a saying in 3M, we make it by the mile, we'll sell it by the inch. It's all about scale. It's all about scalability. It's really critical. I think that's where China sometimes is able to achieve scale. And in India, sometimes we struggle with getting scale. And I think some of this comes back to the ecosystem, that your willingness to partner with somebody to take it to the next level, and have that network of people who you can take this to the next level.
I'm going to take one question from that gentleman there, and I'll come back from the ecosystem to Mr. Madhu Mehta, but that gentleman, please.
This is to all the panel members, and what I want to ask is, what can we as a group of people in Gujarat do so that we can start thinking up new things? What are the skill sets or the things that we can educate ourselves into, wherein this thinking for new things starts?
I would like to tell you that think out of the box for any issue. Do not see any problem as a problem. Consider it as an issue, as a challenge. Think out of the box. Mark out solution A, B, C, D. Alternate A, B, C, D. Advantages, disadvantages. Analyze yourself, your mind, your team, and then you can carry on, basically. So now everything has to be analytical. Whatever steps you go, you just can't go blindly. So this is my say.
Yeah, I think one more point I would like to add is I'm a big believer in experimenting. I think sometimes we fall into this analysis paralysis, and you try to dot the T's and dot the I's and till the cows come home. And I think, to me, I'm a great believer, experiment and experiment and experiment again.
2 comments.
By 1 minute. Photo camera. Yeah, I in fact was referring to you when you were talking to him. This happens to everyone who returns from abroad. I call it an incubation stage. And as he was saying, that in India, we shoot not the idea, but the author. So the best way to get out of this author idea is to give a Gujarati remedy. કે હું પાયલોટ લેવા તૈયાર છું અને તમને પ્રસ્તાવિત કરીને બતાવીશ કે આઈ વિલ બી એબલ ટુ મેક મની. Then your set will say, okay, તું મારી જોડે આવો.
Two quick comments. One related with the how do you make the society more able to think of new things. Curiosity, questioning leads to innovation. And the example that we give is, and we do this with 5th, 6th and 7th standard students in Baroda, and 10,000 of them have been covered so far. We try to tell them that, look, two examples, so I'll take a little more esoteric one. If you know of a sandcastle worm, that worm is actually building, secretes an enzyme which binds sand particles. And somebody has analyzed that, curiosity, see that, and you say, how it can be. Curiosity, questioning. Can I make it chemically? And if I could make it chemically, innovation, where can I apply? And 5 years from now, you will have that thing injected in your body when you break your bones. So curiosity, questioning leads to innovation. And the other question is, and I think it is very important for me to address this, so I'll just mention that. We in India are solo players. And what we need to do is to become a marathon runner, a relay race marathon runner. If you want to be a relay race marathon runner, that means you are part of a chain. What you want to do is make a difference. If you want to make a difference, are you the person who is the best suited to take it to the next level? If you are not, play a relay race, which means you bring it from A point to B point to C point, somebody else takes it. C to D, somebody else will take it. You must get your fair share. But don't try to always say, I will do everything, because that does not create. Finally, one more point, if I don't mind, and that is, India needs to migrate from a worker or service organization of the world, which is becoming part of value chains of the world, to creating your own value chains. And if you have to create your own value chains, innovation, curiosity, questioning, everything is very, very important.
Thank you. As Mr. Nanavati says, it's a networking which is very required. People normally believe that innovation has to be kept to ourselves only, but it is coming out that you have to network and then you can become more innovative. I think we can have 2 more questions.
I have time for one last question.
Okay,
I'm going to just let you, all of you know that the dignitaries will be available, when we have dinner. We have a question ready, so I'm going to take one last question. And sir, your question, you can ask them offline and they'll be more than happy to answer that. Your question will get answered for sure.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you very much. It's in the interest of time, please.
Later on we can network.
Thank you for the question, and good evening for the panel of experts. My question is that an innovative R&D product or whatever things that takes long time, conceptualization to final product, it takes long time. Like Thomas Alva Edison, he invented the lamp, but he made experiment on lot of materials. Like that, innovation also takes lot of time. So for that, any encouragement, sponsor for the innovation, financial aid for the innovation, is there any provision or a help so that people can do lot of innovation? We can do lot of innovation, but because of the fund, we cannot make the progress. Please comment on the act.
See, there are 2 things I can immediately say. Madhubhai, you can add further. One is SIDBI has again started that venture capital fund. Second is that GVFL, in the context of Gujarat Finance, Venture Finance Limited, I attended one of their last shows. It was in the media club. And they have, I think, set apart 500 crores in 4 areas. Infrastructure, logistics, communication and healthcare, and something to do, the 4th I am not able to remember. Golden Vibrant projects. So these are the 4 areas they have encapsulated, and those who are having ideas, good projects, good things in mind, they can go, they can face them, and they can get the money and they can go ahead.
I think iCreate is one organization which later on could be one of the nodal point for such kind of activities. Government of Gujarat has also a scheme under his micro, small and medium enterprises where they encourage R&D. Exact details it will be, I do not like to give, but you can definitely visit the website and visit the IC office. They do have a specific scheme where they encourage R&D. That's all.
Ladies and gentlemen,
No,
I'm not going to take any more questions for the evening, sir. I'm sorry, I can't assist that. I'm going to ask the Vice Chairman to quickly give a word of thanks to the to the dignitaries on the dais, please.
Good evening, distinguished speakers, experts. I think one thing I know now, that on empty stomach we cannot do any more innovation. And we have enough of the dose of innovations. So my chairman says that you now innovate in such a way that you can speak everything but maximum in 2 minutes. So that is one of the more innovative. He has given me a lot of points in the morning to speak about. Now he said you have finished everything in 2 minutes. Okay, but the thing is, I can say in a simple word, thanks to everybody who has really helped in organizing this particular function, and also thanks to our distinguished speakers. They have given us a very good ride on a very big innovative ship, and we are all charged with a lot of innovations. And I'm sure that we are taking so many things out of from here, and we will be definitely make our global innovations in a way that after 1 year when we'll meet, it will be something different what this GIS is. And I would like to thank, first of all, since we are celebrating the first year of this particular GIS, the main thing is the people who are behind this particular organization, who had thought. Of course, the idea was conceived by Sunil Bhai, but I am sure he alone cannot go ahead the way we have got, and we have the team of people, young people, who has taken this forward. I would like to name them, and I would request them to stand up on their place, and I would request everybody to give them a wide round of applause. First of all, Mr. Jatin Trivedi, Mr. Devang Mehta, Mr. Shaunak Shah, Mr. Vijay Desai, Mr. Jaimin Shah, Mr. Akshay Sethia, and Mr. Padmin Buch. And of course, I would like everybody to take a note that this idea was conceived by Mr. Sunil Shah. It's a very good initiative and inspired and motivate us to genuine and noble cause which will benefit for the growth and development of Gujarat. And one more name, I am sorry to forget, Mr. Bhavin Shah. It's my mistake, I am sorry, Bhavin.
What about Mr. Jaimin Vasa?
And I would like to give everybody a round big of applause to Sunil Bhai and my team. As you know that there are 20 association institutions has supported this cause, this particular, they have started and joined with on a very single note, and I would just like to give this name because we were to give the certificates, but at least we don't have time. I will give the names: Ankleshwar Industries Association, Center for Innovation, Incubation and Internship, CII Lima, Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, Gujarat Institute of Civil Engineers and Architects, Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Gujarat Electronics and Software Industries Association, JCA, Gujarat Pharmaceutical Association, Gujarat Chemical Association, Gujarat State Plastic Manufacturing Association, Indian Drug Manufacturing Association, Laghu Udyog Bharati, Naroda Industries Association, Odhav Industries Association, Saurashtra Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industries, the Associate Chambers and Commerce and Industries Association, the Gujarat Dyestuff Manufacturing Association, the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, the Institute of Electronics and and Telecommunication Engineers, Vadodara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Vapi Industry Association, Vatva Industry Association, and Infomedia 18 Limited, and one, I don't know whether Kamlesh Bhai is here or not, the K&D Communication, who has supported these things and who is going to organize with us Inventia 2013, and this is going to be one of the big things. I am sure today's our efforts will be well appreciated by one and all. I am not going anything more in detail, and the last things, there are two things remain. One is dinner, of course, and second, we are now showing you one of the most important thing which we are going to do next year about the Global Innovation Society. And I will not forget two names, I'm sorry. One, the media people, my friends are over here, and the recipients of the awards are there, and the one and very important two people are there. One is Lowell. He has done us exceedingly well and has given a very live comparing, and one more innovation from Sunil Bhai, Shiva, who was supporting Lowell, Sunil Bhai's daughter, and she has also compared very good things. All the best and congratulations. And once of all, thank you very much for everybody and my distinguished speakers to be over here and given us the best of the things available. Thank you.
Next thing that what we want to do, where is it? From now on, we are Global Innovation Society, and that's what we'll take it to the next level. One big round of applause for the Global Innovation Society, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here. Yeah.